Hello and welcome along to another video. We've had so much rain over the last few days. This is the first opportunity I've had for week, 10 days to actually get out into the garden and do anything. The soil is still very sort of wet and sticky, so I'm standing on it as sort of little as I can really. And I've got plenty of paths around, so I'm able to weed and just spread the soil around a little bit from all the paths. So this morning I've just been clearing around these daffodils. They've already sort of come up and I can already see some little buds coming on there. Now these are the ones that put out about 5 little daffodil heads on the same stem, and then over there they're my tete-a-tete, which are very small single daffodils which have just kept coming back and back and back for years and years. We started off with a little bowl. I think it was a 99p bowl that we got from Lidl, and they flowered very quickly indoors, and then I just planted the whole lot out into the garden, and that was about 5 years ago. So this one needs a really good sorting out. I've still got stakes up from when we had the sweet peas. I've still got an awful lot of geranium stalks there that need clearing out, and as you can see, the surface of the soil is just about covered in forget-me-nots. So again, I'll sort a few of those out. And we've got a canna there that has sort of died back, and a little bit of ribbon grass in there, which is not a big issue, as I got most of that out the year before last. So how I manage this rambling rose is all these spikes here. Now it's called rambling rose for a reason, because if you leave it, it will just go absolutely everywhere and it'll ramble all over the place. So the first thing I do is take out all these stems here that are growing in the wrong direction. They're all perfectly good stems, but they just come in towards the deck. They get tangled up with the bamboo and the oleander, and I don't particularly want that. And they also, at this height, are extremely dangerous because they catch you in the head and the eyes. So we'll just take off. Ow! See what I mean? It's got me by the collar now. So I'll start taking off a few of these random pieces. Right, I've now got a fairly safe area in which to work, and you can see all these old last year's flower stems. Now what I've got to do, I've got to take them all off and take off 1 or 2 of the others that are just coming. I don't particularly want the rambling rose to come any further this way than where it is now. Now there are lots and lots of stems that are going over into my neighbour's garden, and I mean, she doesn't mind the rambling roses coming across onto her side of the fence, so I'm quite lucky with that one. Again, as you can see here, it's just getting caught up in the oleander, and we don't particularly want that.